back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are going to be unboxing the ice cream beauty bag for January of 2026. This bag is $12.50 and then you pay $4 for shipping, so it comes out to $16.50. So, and then you get 3 to 5 items in here. Today we get 3 items, and 2 of them or all of them, all of them are Gourmand Girls items. So that is exciting. So we've got, first of all, in here we have got this trapped. What is my... Okay, we've got this from the Trapped collection. We've got a lip gloss that is worth $18. And I'm just trying to, let me make this easy on myself and open it from the bottom part. Open it from down here. Okay, I've got 3 lip glosses now from the Trapped collection. This is in the shade, what is this shade? Okay, there's the name. Moody. I think this says Moody. Okay, it is a bright pink shade. And that is the color. That is a nice color for this time of year. Very, very pretty. Very, very nice. Very, very, very pretty. Let me put this over here with my lip glosses. And then it says we've got a highlighter from the Trapped collection. And this is what it looks like. So I'm getting all the Trapped collection stuff. This is in this shade Famished. Okay, it's got a little cover over it. Okay, cool. That is what it looks like there. And oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Okay, it's got a little cover there. That is beautiful. It's kind of like pinky gold. Beautiful. Maybe you're seeing a little bit of, I don't know, I'm seeing pinky gold kind of look there. This is called Famished. That is very cool. I'm going to put a little bit of that on. Oh, they're not going to be ready for me at work today. Kind of oh wow, that is something else. That is something. I absolutely adore that. That is very fun indeed. So we've got that as a highlighter, and then let me put all this trash in this bag here. And then finally, we have this palette. Every bag or box that you get comes with a palette. This is the Gourmand Girls Mostly Merry palette. Mostly Merry palette. It comes in a box. that's this palette. With the little, okay, it has little shade savers on it too. Sorry, I am not prepared here. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Let's swatch some of these fancy colors. Look at that, you guys. I'm just swatching all the shimmers here. Those are some highly shimmery shimmers. Let's see. Is it throwing off my white balance? But this is what the palette we got. I don't know too much about the mattes, if I like the mattes that much in this palette. But that is a very fun palette. That is a very fun palette. So those are the three things we got. The palette is $39. The highlighter is $20, so that's $59, and then the lip gloss is $18. So we've got $77 worth of product here in this box that came, this bag that came for $16.50. So I think the bags usually range for around $80 worth of stuff. So now I've got stuff everywhere. Stuff everywhere. Let me know if you want to see a look with this palette, and I will get to that. Otherwise, we will go ahead and finish up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Please leave a comment down below if you get this bag, or thinking about getting this bag, or if you get the box. What came in the box this month? I would love to know. Seems like we've been getting a lot of Gourmand Girl stuff lately. What palette came in the box? I would love to know. Let me know all your thoughts and opinions and comments down below. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Sending you out all of those good vibes, and I will talk to you in the next video. Okay, goodbye.